Okay, so we've come to the end of the course, and just a quick recap about some of the important key commands. I'll make sure I leave a copy of this document available for you to download. And basically, we've learned about all these different key commands and how to apply them, and essential editing processes when you're processing your audio files, when you're merging them, when you bounce and place, when you convert them to new audio files, and kind of a little step-by-step process of how to do the audio edit if you have something from start to finish. Doesn't matter which DAW you're using, all of them have lots of similar sets of functionality. Obviously, some DAWs have more functionality than others, like GarageBand doesn't have as much functionality as Logic Pro, for example. But a lot of the techniques and steps can be followed between both of them. So I hope you learned a lot of things, and I hope you get better at editing your audio and syncing all your melodies or your drum tracks or anything of that sort. And I think I'll just leave with a little clip from a recent album launch that I had of this song played in there with my band called Mantravine, and hope to see you again.
Funky dance move. That's right, whip it out. Funky dance move. Don't be shy. Move that body. Bring out your highest supply of funky dance moves. 'Cause you know, it's not what you do, it's how you do it. It's how you do it. And it's not what you hear, it's how you hear it. It's how you hear it, baby. It's how you hear it, baby. And it's not what you say, it's how you say it. It's how you say it. It's how you say it. Thank you very much. We are called Mantravine.